I'm Ryan, work at Yorvik Electrical Contractors. I'm the works manager. My job entails is doing all the tenders, looking after all the different customers. One of my main important jobs is looking after our apprentices. So I think the T-level will provide the opportunity for them to see what's involved in the industry and within the business. A lot of people come in and not really know, they might just think that we might just go into a house and just put some sockets in. So it just really lets them see what a day in life electrician is to be like.
I'm much more practical learner than liking to sit in a classroom all the time. I picked the T-level because the mix between theory and practical, it's a great way of learning, but then also with the work experience that helps you feel like you're doing the job, feel like you're already an electrician when actually you're just learning, but it's much more helpful that way. I'd say best thing for doing the work placement is to ask questions, find out as much as you can, make sure you're helping out, being busy, you're not just stood around watching, because you'll only learn so much. It's really a matter of what you put in, you'll get back, and then you'll be able to bring to college for the next year. And to have a place like Yorvik, be able to take not just me on, but one of my friends on as well, it's been really helpful, and it's just going to give us that confidence to be able to go into the next year and just feel like we know what we're doing.
I believe it's beneficial for our placement, as it sort of gives you an idea of what you actually do as an electrician. I go out with the engineers to different sites and often do different light fittings and sort out sockets, installing just their basic jobs really. After I've finished the job, it's great to see what I've actually done and see that it's all looking really nice for the customer. After I finish my T-level, I'm hoping to get an apprenticeship to become qualified as an electrician and then start in full-time employment.
The highlight of having the T-level students is seeing them come in, and then after them 315 hours where they finish and how much they've progressed, not just with the confidence but with the skills as well. So I'd definitely advise any business to take on T-level students. It's cost neutral to yourself. They come with their own PPE, any accreditations that are needed, York College can sort them out before they come. It's just a no-brainer really.